Can you believe this tracking drone fits in my pocket? This is the HOVERAir X1 Promax, and today I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite shots you can capture with it that instantly make your videos look more professional. Whether you're a content creator, traveler, cyclist, or just someone who wants amazing footage without carrying a huge drone around, these are shots that anyone can capture. Let's get started. The first shot is probably the easiest and one of the most useful. Follow mode. This is the shot most people will use the most. The HOVERAir X1 Promax automatically follows you while keeping you centered in the frame. Whether you're walking, jogging, riding a bike, or exploring a new location, it acts like your own personal cameraman. What I like is that I don't have to think about flying the drone. I can focus on what I'm doing while the AI handles the tracking. The X1 Promax can follow at speeds up to 26 miles per hour and even faster bursts when needed, making it great for active lifestyles or outdoor adventures. If you're a solo creator, this mode alone can completely change the way you film. Now, let's move on to shot number 2. Orbit mode. This is one of my favorite cinematic shots. The drone automatically circles around you while keeping you locked in the center of the frame. Normally, this kind of footage would require another person operating a camera or some advanced drone skills. With the HOVERAir X1 Promax, it's almost effortless. Just launch, select orbit, and let the drone do the work.
Orbit.
This shot works especially well for travel videos, family outings, outdoor adventures, and social media content. Whenever I want footage that looks a little more cinematic, orbit mode is usually the first thing I choose. Now let's check out shot number 3. Zoom out mode. This is one of the simplest ways to create an epic reveal shot. The drone starts close to you and gradually pulls back, revealing the environment around you. It's perfect for showing off scenic locations, parks, trails, beaches, city views, or any location where you want to add some scale to your footage. This is the kind of shot that instantly gives your videos a bigger production feel. One thing that makes all these modes possible is the compact design of the X1 Promax itself. The entire drone folds up small enough to fit in the pocket and weighs less than 250 grams. It fits easily in any book bag. That's actually one of the biggest reasons I've been carrying it around. Most drones end up staying at home because they're bulky. This one is easy to bring almost anywhere. And despite the small size, you're getting an impressive camera system capable of recording in 8K resolution. The footage looks sharp, detailed, and gives you extra flexibility during editing if you want to crop or reframe your shots later. Now, another feature worth mentioning is the HOVERAir app. The app makes it easy to browse your footage, switch between flight modes, adjust settings, manually control the drone, and even explore the community section where users share their own videos and creative ideas. Everything is laid out in a way that's easy to understand, even if you never owned a drone before. I also like that it comes with a nice rugged travel case. Very solid if you're on the go, fits everything in here. The battery packs, the drone, the power supply, the extra cables if you need them, everything you need right in the travel case. Zip it up, really solid, sturdy. Also comes with 2 batteries, very easily charged, USB Type-C. The charging pack, also press the button and you can see how much battery you have left on here. is really a nice feature.
Cycling mode, ski mode, dolly track, bird's eye, spiral, orbit, follow, zoom out, hover, 306 indoor follow, cycling mode.
Overall, what makes the HOVERair X1 Pro Max stand out isn't just the camera quality, it's how easy it makes aerial content creation. You don't need to be a drone expert. You don't need a complicated setup. You don't need someone following you around with a camera. You simply launch it, choose a mode, and start creating. So if you're looking for a pocket-sized flying camera that can capture professional-looking footage with a minimal effort, the HOVERair X1 Pro Max is definitely worth checking out. If you'd like to learn more, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.